Dropshipping is dead yet again. We've heard it in 2019, in 2021, in 2023, and now 2026 has entered the chat. Headlines roll out, the gurus start yelling,
"Dropshipping is dead."
Obituaries start to get written. But if dropshipping is dead, then why am I here? And why are you here trying to learn from industry pros, who, by the way, are still posting their earnings and their flexes from dropshipping, who continue to make videos teaching dropshipping, even after it supposedly died? There's something about us humans, right? There's something about us humans that we just love to declare that things are over. Or, to be more dramatic, dead. The death of malls, the death of books, the death of movie theaters, the death of painting when photography came out. The thing doesn't die, it evolves. And dropshipping is in no way different. So why do we keep declaring dropshipping dead? And why does it keep coming back? Is it some kind of weird, zombie business that just refuses to die? Or are we just addicted to the drama of calling the time of death online? Amazon barons literally called it Amazon.bomb in the year 2000. And now it's worth $500 billion a year in revenue. So is it dead? Not exactly. What about movie theaters? They were declared dead in the age of TV, VHS, streaming, and even COVID. And yet, Barbie and Oppenheimer, they had people dressing up and breaking box office records back in 2013. People are still dressing up as the Avengers for all of the new Marvel movies, including myself. What about printed books? Ebooks were supposed to kill them. The Kindle was supposed to kill it. Instead, 70 to 75% of book sales today are still physical. Now, let's take it really back. Painting. Supposedly dead with photography. And then again with film. And then again with digital. And now with AI. The painting aisle at Michael's is still alive and well and thriving. Every time a shiny new thing shows up, people rush to declare that the old way is over. But instead of dying, it just essentially changes shape. And that brings us back to dropshipping. The business model that's been dying ever since the 2000s. And yet it keeps coming back in new, weirder, and sometimes better forms. Now, let's do a quick rewind to 2016. From 2016 to 2018, we had the Shopify and Facebook ads gold rush. You could throw up a general store, sell some LED dog collars, and you'll be printing money. 2019 to 2020, saturation started to hit, and ad costs really started to rise at this point. And gurus started saying that it's dead. But did it die? No, not at all. Marketing strategies just needed to change. Then jump to 2021 to 2022. TikTok starts to absolutely explode. And suddenly, viral products are moving millions upon millions of units with zero ad spend. Dropshipping is dead again. Or maybe they just meant traditional dropshipping with ads. 2023 to 2024, regulations really started to tighten. And that's when TikTok Shop and Amazon started to crack down on bad suppliers. Now, gurus again started to declare it dead. 2025 to 2026, the new era starts. AI research tools and just pretty much AI everything. It's the age of AI. You have things like automated fulfillment, which everyone is starting to try to do, branded dropshipping, print on demand, TikTok Shop integrations, and tariffs. It's been a wild couple of years. That pretty much just made the lazy model dead. So one of the myths is that dropshipping is all about selling cheap junk from AliExpress and scamming people. But the reality is that it's about testing demand, building a brand, and scaling with real suppliers. Another myth is that Amazon killed it. Amazon killed dropshipping. When in reality, Amazon itself uses a form of dropshipping. Third-party sellers, they make up 60% of their sales. Another myth is that AI is gonna replace it, or essentially replace everything. But the reality of it is that AI just makes things easier. With AutoDS, TikTok Shop Analytics, product research, and automated stores, the grunt work is pretty much starting to disappear. When people say that dropshipping is dead, what they really mean is the lazy version of dropshipping is dead. Or they're just clickbaiting you, to be completely honest with you. There's no more spamming random products. There's no more 2 to 3 week shipping times. There's no more cookie cutter general stores. The game keeps changing, but the model is still here. Just like painting, just like books, just like movie theaters. It adapts. Unfortunately, one business that didn't adapt was Toys R Us. That was my childhood. I swear, if it was still open, I would be there every single weekend with my kid, of course. So what's actually working in 2026? TikTok Shop and UGC. Short form content drives impulse buys like it never has before. Branded stores also do really good. Real logos, packaging, and really trust signals. Also, fast fulfillment. US and European suppliers with 5 to 7 day shipping. No more 3 to 5 week shipping. Print on demand is also huge. Custom designs and customer personalization with literally zero inventory. it's still crushing it. And AI tools too. You have things for research, for copywriting, you have things for ad creatives, even coming up with designs. And almost all of the grunt work is automated at this point. This isn't the dropshipping of 2016. It's a new game. So next time that you hear that someone say that dropshipping is dead, just remember, they've been saying that for over a decade, over 10 years this has been said. If you want to see how to thrive in this new dropshipping era, make sure you check out the AutoDS handpicked product section and the AI store builder, and also the ad spy, so that way you can start to see what's actually trending and what people are actually going for and what they're buying. Remember that dropshipping isn't dead. It's just changing. And the real question is, are you changing with it? Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with AutoDS. If you found this video helpful, informational, or entertaining in any way, shape, or form, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and with that, catch y'all next time. Remember, dropshipping is dead.